In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily find your Freshdesk API key. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, knowing where and how to find your API key is crucial for integrating Freshdesk with other tools or systems you might be using. So let's dive right into it and walk through the steps together. To start, you need to log in to your Freshdesk account. Simply head over to the Freshdesk login page and enter your credentials. It's essential to use the correct login details, as this ensures you access the right account and all the settings associated with it. Once you're logged in, your user experience should be smooth, provided you're using a supported browser, something to keep in mind as you navigate. Now that you're in, what you'll want to do next is direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. This action will bring up a menu with various options that allow you to customize and manage your account settings. From this drop-down, select Profile Settings. It's a useful section where you can update your personal information and manage other account-specific preferences. In the Profile Settings area, you'll locate the option to view your API key. Look to the right side of this section, and you should see a link labeled View API Key. Click on it. Don't worry if it takes a moment to load. Freshdesk sometimes requires a little extra verification to ensure it's really you making this request. This brings us to the CAPTCHA component. At this stage, you'll need to complete a CAPTCHA to verify your access. It's a straightforward process designed to enhance security and keep your account safe from unauthorized access. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and you should be good to go in no time. Once you've successfully verified your access, ta-da! Your API key will be displayed on the screen. Now, here's a crucial tip. Copy this key and store it securely. You might want to paste it into a document on a secure server or use a password manager to ensure it's kept safe. Remember, this API key is sensitive information that facilitates the connection of Freshdesk with other applications, so treat it with care. Before we wrap up, a quick note for those on the Sprout or free plan. The ability to access the API key is not available. Unfortunately, this feature is limited to paid accounts, so if you're considering integrations that require an API key, you may need to upgrade your plan. And there you have it. We've just walked through the entire process to locate and secure your Freshdesk API key. It's a straightforward series of steps that ensure you're ready to leverage Freshdesk's full potential in your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Freshdesk integrations with ease.